Hey guys, welcome to Steph Lily's Kitchen. Today we are trying Cinnamon Toast Crunch cookies. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is cereal too. Just from school at like kindergarten and first grade and every grade. We eat it in the same grade we are in. Come on in. This is what we're gonna try. Cinnamon Toast Crunch cookies.
Go.
3 simple ingredients. 1/3 cup of butter. 1 large egg. And don't forget your mix. Let's mix them up. Let's crack and mix this egg. Come on. And time to mix it up. Mix. Oh, it looks like yolk for eggs. Like my fried eggs, boiled eggs, cheesy eggs. Let's mix in the butter. Go up. Let's put that mix in. Okay. Whoop. That's a lot of mix. Let's all get mixed together. Almost there. Trying to roll in the cookies. Let's see how many we can make. There we go. Grab more. That's a lot. Such a lot. Let's turn the oven on. Let's put them in the oven. Let's get these bad boys a try. Okay, these are delicious. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next week, peace. The cookies were like 1,000,000,100% yummy. And on Halloween, I'm gonna be Pennywise.